Greetings, my name is Rafael Alejandro Vargas Blanco. I am from the group TRT. My tutor is Juan Camilo Perez, and this is my video of my Colombian breakfast. For this Colombian breakfast, the ingredients are 2 eggs, 1 sausage, chocolate, butter, some of water, salt, oil, cinnamon, sugar, flour, and cheese. The utensils for this recipe are 2 containers to mix the ingredients, a knife, a spatula, a kettle, 2 pans, one bigger and one little, a pot, and a fork to mix.
For the arepas, put some flour on the container and put to melt some of butter in the pot. Put some of sugar and a little of salt. Keep melting the butter in the pot. Put some water in the melting butter and mix it. Look that this mix is a little warm, but not too much. When this mix is a little bit colder, put it in the recipe with the rest of ingredients. Then mix it. Keep adding some of water until the mix is ready. Keep mixing until get a soft and homogeneous mix like this. Do a shape, oval shape that do an oval and plane shape And add to it, in the center, some of grated cheese and close this shape. Se está mandando de forma vertical. Put the pan and leave it at low flame. Put a little bit of oil in this pan. When the pan with the oil is hot, put the arepa in the pan very carefully to don't get. When you have this shape done, you put it in the pan with the hot oil. It's necessary to you leave every side of the arepa almost 5 minutes and then you flip it. By this side, leave it for another 5 minutes. And now they are well cooked. So we turn off the flames. And they are ready. For the chocolate, turn on the flames of the kettle. Put some of water on the kettle. And put some of cinnamon with the water. Wait until the water is boiling. Now that the water with the cinnamon is boiling, add the chocolate to the kettle. And wait until this gets a homogeneous mix. When it's ready, put some of milk in the kettle. And leave it boiling. When it's ready, you can serve it on a cup. For the eggs, turn on the flames and put in the little pan some of oil to warm. Cut the sausage in slices and put them with the warm oil at the pan and keep cooking them until they get well cooked. Mix them until you get an homogeneous mix. And put this mix in the pan with the sausages. It's necessary to flip it till it get well cooked. Now that it is well cooked, serve it with the arepa and the chocolate. And you have a Colombian breakfast.